Well, being a lean practitioner, the Navy really helped to form the way I think today. I recall really vividly crossing the Atlantic. I was a young junior officer on board an aircraft carrier, and the captain of the ship stopped me in the passageway and he said, "Nick, we're crossing the Atlantic. No one's coming to help us. What are you doing today? Are you getting better? Or are you getting worse?" And I was a young guy and I said, "I'm getting better, sir." But it was that spirit of continuous improvement and speed of learning. So CI, continuous improvement, is really a bedrock of lean thinking. And the second part is having clarity of purpose and some urgency to make the transformation happen is really critical to lean. And in the Navy, I was fortunate enough to be serving in a time of peace, but we always had this understanding that you were guarding your shipmate and we're out in the middle of the ocean and things can go wrong. So being ready and prepared, having a sense of urgency to drive the transformation can be challenging in some of the construction markets we work in. But that's really something that I try to help with is a sensible sense of urgency. And then really the last part is a underpinning for lean is standardized work. We're on a ship with 4,000 people and it's 24/7, 365. Everybody's got to be on their mark when we're docking, when we're out at sea, when we're doing ops. And so having that work be able to be transformed and be able to, for every person to perform it at the right quality level is critical. So, man, I really owe a lot to the Navy on my lean journey. Go Navy! And I'm wearing my dress whites.